What? Why? Why? Hey, what is up everybody? Michael here, and what the fuck? What the fuck? Seriously, Samsung, another Galaxy Note 10? Like, was 2 not enough? It's like, seriously, another Galaxy Note 10. I gotta make the fucking video. But anyway, so as you guys know, the news has been going all over, and I'm going to talk about it. But what's going on, everybody? Michael here. Welcome back to Technoid. And guys, what the fuck? Seriously, what the fuck? So enough cursing. Let's get right into the video. So first video up of the day is Samsung and their ridiculous rumor that they are working on, but it turns out it may be true, that they are working on a watered down version of the Galaxy Note 10. Seriously, a cheaper version of the Galaxy Note 10. Like, this isn't worthy of Apple bashing, like that day when I flipped out at people chanting about a logo, but this is just up there. Like, Samsung, why do you need another Galaxy Note device? 2 is enough. You have a small version, you have a large version. What is this one gonna be? Oh, the cheap version? Oh, I'm sorry, your notes are priced like that for a reason. It's simple. Your notes can do so much that most phones can do, but even then, seriously, there is no need for this. I don't understand. Literally, the idea is that they are trying to make an entry-level price for the Galaxy Note. This is not how it's supposed to go. First of all, the Note series were made for a specific user that can handle all the power that you offer in this phone. That's one. Number two, it's bad enough you made 2, but you clearly made the smaller one inconsistent because you clearly messed with that little thing, so you would convince people to buy the big one with the SD card slot and a couple of other things in there with the gigs of RAM. But the point is that you literally have 2, and they probably are selling just fine, but why would you need a third one? Seriously, because you think you need a cheap one? Bro, nobody is going to buy another Galaxy Note phone. It is made for specific users. You already are considering replacing the Galaxy Note with the Galaxy Fold. So what are you trying to do here? Like, make up your mind. Do you want to get rid of the Galaxy Note series? Do you want to expand on it? What do you want? Why is this even a conversation? Why is this even an idea? A cheaper Galaxy Note? It was understandable when the Galaxy S10 did it because you could understand. Yeah, the S10 and S10 Plus were the regular flagship. These aren't a phone that people don't typically buy. Everybody buys Galaxies. People don't buy Notes because of the S Pen or anything. People buy Notes for the productivity and the advanced features that come in it. Not everyday average consumers go for the Note. But again, there are people that like big phones, but this is not one of these reasons to make a cheaper Note. I don't understand what they're doing, but honestly, if anybody understands it, good for you. Good for you. Just good for you. And last story, only 2 stories for today. We're going to talk about the Apple iOS 13.2 beta with more information about the new upcoming AirPods. So the AirPods 3, which are being dubbed the AirPods 3, which I will make a video on if I feel that the rumors are strong enough to back up the claim for AirPods 3. The rumors now, well, it looks like it is strong because there is a tweak in iOS 13.2 beta that people have found for AirPods 3. Now, these AirPods 3 are rumored to have noise cancellation to help remove the outside noise, and it's also supposed to have an in-ear design to assist with that. And so far, the mock-ups for these things look horrible, but honestly, look, I really don't care. I generally don't care because, you know, I'm not going to buy the AirPods unless they sound okay. But it shows that in iOS 13.2 that you can have a switch in the Volumes app, which you can tweak to mess with the noise canceller, which is nice. And I really like the fact that they are trying to do something new with the AirPods, and the AirPods 3 with this feature should be interesting. And also in iOS 13.2, we get a little more information on the settings because Apple has finally listened and they have put a literal, I'm not even lying, they've literally now made you able to change the settings for the camera with the 4K resolutions. You are able to change the resolutions now in the camera app. And I guess that justifies Apple Sheeps for making a solid 13-minute video on why that is the best feature in all of mankind. But okay, so that is it for today's story, guys. This is a very short episode. I really was just I just really didn't know what to say at this point with the Galaxy Note 10 Lite or E, whatever they're going to call this thing. So let me know your thoughts down below. What do you think of the AirPods 3? Do you think it's going to happen? Do you also think the Galaxy Note 10 is going to get a cheaper version? Oh boy. But let me know your thoughts down below, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and peace.